this video, I'll be talking about Matter Originators. TimeSolve allows users to add as many originating attorneys as needed against a matter so that commissions can be distributed accordingly. These can be set up under Clients, Clients and Matters, the matter name, and the Originators tab. Users can specify a commission for each originating attorney added against the matter. So let's go ahead and add users will be able to see commissions for each originating attorney at the reporting level. The reports that run originating attorneys are invoices and WIP aging, payment history, and revenue and commissions.